Adore, the management company entangled in a legal dispute with the girl group New Jeans, has filed a lawsuit seeking confirmation of the validity of their exclusive contract. This follows a November 28 press conference in which New Jeans announced their decision to terminate the agreement, citing Adore's failure to meet its obligations. The Korean Management Association responded by emphasizing that disputes alone are insufficient grounds for termination and urged both parties to pursue negotiations. Today, we delve into the intricacies of exclusive contracts, their termination, and the potential penalties involved. Exclusive contract. An exclusive contract is a special type of employment agreement between an individual and an employer. Unlike standard contracts, which permit individuals to work with multiple employers simultaneously, an exclusive contract binds the individual to work solely for one employer. These contracts are commonly used in the entertainment industry, where agencies sign artists, or in education, where private academies hire prominent lecturers. Termination of a contract. Termination of a contract refers to the act of extinguishing the effect of a contract that would have affected the future. It should be distinguished from rescission, which is the same as termination in that it extinguishes the future effect. The key difference is that rescission not only ends the contract's future effects, but also nullifies its past effects. When a contract is rescinded, both parties must restore their legal rights and obligations to the state they were in before the contract was made. Penalty. A penalty is a predetermined sum of money that a party agrees to pay if they breach a contract. In simple terms, if one party fails to meet their contractual obligations, the other party has the right to demand the agreed penalty as compensation. Entertainment agencies often include a clause in contracts requiring entertainers to pay a penalty if they breach standards of decency and harm the agency's reputation, or if they unilaterally terminate or leave the agency before the contract period ends. Penalty fees can be claimed even if the agency doesn't specifically prove the damages caused by the termination of the contract, which helps ensure the entertainers fulfill their obligations under the contract. But it can be legally disputed if the contract is unfair. In New Jeans' case, the estimated penalty is said to be up to 600 billion won. In response, the group asserts that Adore is the one responsible for breaching the contract by not protecting its artists.